Hey everyone, Tom here, coming to you remotely, and today we want to talk about parallel installations. Now, a parallel installation is utilized when we need to go above the total water flow demand that a single dosatron can allow. To help show this, we're going to create a visual example using the D8R series or 40 gallon per minute injectors. Now, in this example, let's assume that we've gone ahead and doubled the total water flow demand to our crop. We're going to take our current system configured for 40 gallons per minute or GPM and design it for 80 GPM.
We currently have a single 40 GPM Dosatron unit installed on a 2-inch PVC water line. In order to double the flow capacity through the Dosatron system and meet our new system requirement of 80 GPM, we will have to install another Dosatron in parallel. Using the 2-inch PVC water line, we go ahead and tee off and branch into two separate 1.5-inch legs, each with their own Dosatron unit. Then from the outlet of the Dosatron units, we merge the two 1.5-inch lines back together in a tee that feeds the 2-inch main line out to the crop. This style of installation, called parallel, will increase the maximum flow rate potential from 40 GPM to 80 GPM. Though we used the D8R series as an example for this type of parallel configuration will apply to a wide range of Dosatron units within any series.
Now, when we are utilizing a parallel installation, there are a few key factors to implementing it to maintain Dosatron accuracy. First, you're going to want to make sure that the Dosatrons on each leg are the same units. You're going to want to make sure that they're also set to the same injection rate and are pulling from the same concentrate tank. As always, with any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us a message online. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe.